Hello and welcome to episode 24 of Mad Quiz Questions. Today is a special Guess the Cat quiz, where we will see how much you know about our furry feline friends. Without further ado, let's get started. Question 1. What breed of cat is this? It's a ragdoll cat. What kind of cat is this? It's a British short hair cat. Question 3 is a little trickier. It's a Maine Coon. Do you know the breed of the cat in question 4? It's a Siamese cat, of course. Question 5. What cat is this? It's a Persian cat. Moving on to question 6. What breed of cat is this? It's a Bengal cat. I love the markings on these cats. Do you recognise this cat? It's a Sphinx cat. Did you get it correct? Question 8. Do you recognise this cat breed? It's a Scottish Fold. Did you guess it correctly because of its ears? Question 9. What breed is this rather surprised-looking cat? It's a Cornish Rex. Do you know the cat breed in question 10? It's an exotic short hair. Question 11. What type of cat is this? It's a Norwegian Forest. Question 12. What breed is this? It's an Oriental Shorthair. Did you think it was another Sphinx? Do you know the breed of the beautiful cat in question 13? It's a Russian Blue, of course. What breed is this? It's an Abyssinian cat. Question 15 is trickier. What type of cat is this? It's a Birman. Did you get it correct? Thanks a lot for watching my cat quiz, Mad Quizzers. Please like the video if you are enjoying the quiz and subscribe to my channel if you are enjoying my content. Moving on to question 16. What cat is this? It's an American Shorthair. There are a lot of cats that look like this in my neighbourhood. Do you recognise this elegant white cat in question 17? It is a Turkish Van. Question 18. What breed is this blue-eyed beauty? It's a Tonkinese. What breed is the cat in question 19? It's a Chartreux. Question 20. What breed of cat is this? It's a Selkirk Rex. Question 21. Have you seen this type of cat before? It's a Turkish Angora. Do you know this fluffy cat breed? It's a Himalayan. Do you recognise the breed in question 23? It's a Burmese cat. Do you recognise the cat breed in question 24? It's an Egyptian Mau. What's this cat breed? It's a Le Perm. Do you know the cat in question 26? It's an Ossicat. Question 27. What breed is this? It's a Balinese. What about question 28? It's a Savannah cat. Did you know that one? Question 29. What breed is this? It's a Singapora. What breed is the cat in question 30? It's a Munchkin. Right, let's do some cartoon cats to finish off the episode. What type of cat is Tom from Tom and Jerry? He was apparently a domestic shorthair. Here's a tricky one for question 32. What breed of cat is Hello Kitty? She is a Japanese bobtail. I bet most of you didn't know that. What breed of cat was the Cheshire Cat in Alice in Wonderland? He was a British Shorthair. Mean Cat for question 34. What breed of cat was Grumpy Cat? She was a mixed breed cat. Apparently she had feline dwarfism and an underbite, which caused her distinctive grumpy expression. Right, let's finish with a really difficult one for question 35. What breed is this? It's a beagle dog. Wait, you thought Snoopy was a cat? Well, that's the end of another episode, Mad Quizzers. I hope you forgive me for the really sneaky final question. Thanks for watching. And please leave a comment to let me know how many cats you guessed correctly. Oh, and please subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. See you soon for another episode.